All right. Hey, Virtual Reinhardt Part 2 to the bank account system. And now we're going to make the menu to let you manage that bank account object that we made in the first video. And so I'm looking at the instructions right now. Here are the steps. I won't refer back to this one. So take a look at the instructions. So we're going to modify the main class first by adding a while loop to create a menu system to let you check the balance, which is what's called an accessor method. Just give me the information. And then we want the ability to add or withdraw funds with some controls in there. You don't, well, certainly with the withdraw, you should not let them withdraw more money than they have in their balance. So we're going to look at that. So you should go write those methods and do 1 and 2 before you come back to this video. So you should pause it. Again, what you want to look at with, especially part 2, is what is a mutator. Okay, a mutator method sounds like an X-Files thing, but it's a something that changes the data in an object. All right, so go do 1 and 2 or try them. Don't be bummed out if you make a couple of mistakes. That's what happens. Remember, that's why we're here. So have at it, pause the video, come back, and we'll look at the solution. All right, let's take a look. So I'm going to jump to the main class for part 1. So if you recall, we made a bank account object with some super cool helper methods like get password and get username. And now I'm going to enter into a while loop. So I did a while true loop. You could have a while the selection's not 0 loop or something. So here's my menu system. Make a selection. Press 1 to check your balance, 2 to deposit, 3 to withdraw. And that's, so my program starts or stops and lets me input that selection. Okay. And then remember, because scanners are weird, you have to remove the return after you select it. And then what? Well, if they typed in 0, it breaks out of my loop and, I'm done. All right. So this is the 0 to quit. Okay. And then what? Well, there's 1. Okay. That's essentially check my balance. What's my balance at? I just call my print method inside of my bank account class, which you had done before. Now what's 2? I say, select 2, how much would you like to deposit? Because that's what 2 is. Do you want to deposit money? So you take in how much money that you want, and then you call your mutator method deposit, okay, with that number, okay, and then print it out to see that it worked. So what does that look like? Bank account class, deposit, okay. It's not going to return anything. It's just going to change the balance. It's going to take a double value in and change the balance by that amount. That's what deposit is, okay? And when you print that out, you'll see it. You'll see the balance change right here, okay, when that's printed out, okay? And that looks pretty similar to withdraw. How much would you like to take out? Okay, store it in a variable and call the withdrawal method. Okay, I call the withdrawal. Okay, and I'm going to pass in the amount and print it out. Okay, so what does withdraw do? Let's go to my bank account class. And I essentially the same thing, except I'm subtracting right here, subtracting from the balance. Remember, that's the same as this up here. I could also just say balance is the same as balance minus amount. Okay, but I only let them do it if the amount they're trying to take out is less than or equal to the balance. Okay, if they try to take out more money, withdraw more money than they have, it gives them an error. Okay, it should say withdraw, not withdrawal. Okay, that's it. That's the bank account class. Reach out to me if you have any problems, questions. There's a lot here. A lot of good stuff. Probably made some mistakes. Probably didn't know the solutions to a lot of them. That's okay. You'll get there. Trust me. And ask me if you have any questions. See you soon.